My name's Sandeep Kumar. I'm from Nottingham in England. So I'm a Sorento owner. I'm a third generation Indian actually, so my grandfather came over in '58 from the Punjab in India. The car's almost part of the family, shall we say. When I take my kids football, literally the day-to-day, all the activities and everything, it's quite a big role actually. Taking kids everywhere, family everywhere. My kids have grown up in this car. It's a car that we can really rely on. Weather in the UK, you can literally have 4 seasons in one day. The Sorento in this climate, there's no problem for it. The car will cope for any conditions. Doesn't matter what the weather is out there, you can just get in and go. There is one journey that we went to go to an Indian wedding actually, about 4 hours away from here, and the car's got 7 seats, so there's 7 of us in it. And literally the journey was such a laugh driving down, everyone was so relaxed. So the main feature in the Sorento that I really love is the heated seats and heated steering wheel, because it can get to -2. So the driver assistance I use pretty much quite regular, especially on the motorways, it will literally drive for you. Where I live, we've got some country type of roads where they can be a bit up and down, but the Sorento copes really well, where the car is super smooth on the motorway as well. It's trusted the brand, the service is really good, they've been so reliable. So I've owned 7 models of the Kia Sorento, and I would say that everyone I've had has never let me down. It's just an all-round good car for big families. Kia Sorento is the one SUV I'll always go back to. It's a no-brainer. ये गाड़ी इंडिया में नंबर 1 होगी.
Kia, movement that inspires.